Now,
Yes.
yeah, okay. Now, how we can do the auto goods receipt? Okay. For this, if you want a auto goods receipt, okay, you need to go to the routing. Select control key with auto goods receipt. Okay. So that means in the routing, select control key with automatic in routing master data. So in routing, you need to select the control key which is having the auto goods receipt. Okay. With this option, you can get goods receipt also. Okay. Now I will show you where is this setting. Okay.
So in this case, as soon as we confirm, the good issue good receipt happen.
Yeah,
right?
I will show you that also. Yeah, correct. I will show you that now. Okay.
Yeah, great.
CA02, go to the routing CA02, Honda car, your FG material. And here we have the 10, 20, 30, 40, 4 operations, correct? Okay. When you will do the GR, when you finish this last operation, that time you will do the GR. GR means product is ready. When you will tell product is ready after completion of last operation. So this automatic GR should happen at last operation, not at the first operation. Okay. A goods issue should happen at first operation because you are starting assembling it. But goods receipt should happen at last operation. So here the control key PP01 is there. This you need to change it. I will show which one is the correct one. You can see you have standard one PP03 goods in-house production auto goods receipt.
Yeah.
If you see the details for this PP03, you can see PP03 here one tick mark is there, automatic GR. Mark is there. That control key you need to select. Okay.
Great.
Now I am selecting PP03. Okay. That too you need to put for last operation, not for the all operations. Okay.
Okay.
This is only the setting.
Can you go one more time? The previous. Yeah.
PP03 and select that and click on detail information. You can see the bottom information.
Yes,
this is option automatic GR.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. You can click on continue.
Yeah.
And save it. Okay. Now I am going to CO01. I am entering the same material, Honda car, press enter. And now here, first is you can enter the quantity. I am entering some 5 quantity. Okay. And then here you are asking about the dates, end date or start date. Okay. So you can see backwards, it came automatically as from the configuration. For example, if you it came as automatically backwards, then you need to enter the end date. So system automatically calculates the start date. For example, you have selected you have so many options here. Okay. If you select the forward, Okay, you select the start date. You need to enter the start date. Start date
and he
example.
calculates it.
Yeah. For example, start date you took the today and then press enter. It automatically calculates the end date.
Great. Oh yeah.
Okay.
It automatically calculates end date.
Yeah.
Okay. And same thing, click on release order and save it. Okay. Now you can see our new order is 1181. So
Yes.
now, okay, I am going to CO11 and 1181 order. First we need to confirm the first operation. Enter. Click on actual data. Once you practice this transaction code, you will do automatically one by one. Okay. So that is the reason you should do more practice.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So now I am going to the goods movements. You can see Honda tire has come automatically. Select storage location and save it. This is for auto GI, which is coming in first operation. Okay. Now click on save button, post. So the goods movements, if you see in the bottom, you got the message confirmation saved, goods movements 1. Okay. Goods issue is over. Okay. Now we need to do for the remaining operations also. Same order I am taking. I am taking the second operation. Click on actual data. So for second operation, we don't have any goods movements. If you go here also, nothing will come. You can save it. So now second operation is over. Now I am doing the third operation. Enter. Click on actual data and click on goods movements. So third operation also nothing is there here. No goods movements. And save it. Now I am going to the fourth operation, last operation.
4.
Click actual data. Now I am clicking the goods movements.
101.
Yes, you can see now. Honda car has come, 5 quantity, store location, and the goods movements is 101.
Yeah.
Okay.
Man.
Okay. And before saving this, let us check stock of this material. Honda car in this plant, its stock is 4 is there. Okay. Before confirming this order.
Now it become 9.
Yeah, exactly. Now, Jamal, is it clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Now I am clicking on save button. So here in the last operation, automatically your GR related data has come. Okay, stock, storage location, plant, everything has come. And click on save button, post. So at the end, you can see the message confirmation saved, goods movements failed. Goods movements 1 failed 0. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you can go to the MMBA transaction code for stock. Earlier it is
Refresh.
4 is there. Now you click on refresh button. Now you can see.
Wow.
This we are doing operation wise. CO11 is operation wise.
Okay.
Order wise
Order
is
confirmation.
CO15.
15. They were 15. Yeah.
Okay. So in this case, what will happen? I can show you now. So this is order wise means all operations you are confirming at a time. Correct? Order wise means what? All operations sorry, all operations.
CO15, no?
Yes, CO15. We are confirming everything in single.
In one shot.
Yes. Okay. To show you that one, I am creating one more order. Okay. So I'm creating one more order with the 5 quantity, release and save it. Now new order 182 is created. Okay. If you go to the CO15, you can see enter production order confirmation. So order wise completely we are doing it. Okay. Enter production order number and press enter. So you can enter here the quantity, 5 quantity, press enter. Okay. Now this is final confirmation. Select this radio button. Now in this transaction code also you have a goods movements button.
You can see both of them. The good issue,
Yes.
good receipt. Is that right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
You can see
Yeah. Wow.
goods issue and goods receipt. Select the
Wow.
storage. Okay. Select this and you can see the movement types. Okay. So I'm just clicking on save button. It will get saved. And then the bottom message will come. You can see confirmation saved, goods movements 2. One is GI and one is GR.
Right.
Okay.